NS0-520 Practice Test. NS0-520 Exam Questions for NetApp NCIE SAN Specialist, ONTAP Exam. Those who want to get the learning materials to prepare for the NetApp Certified Implementation Engineer, SAN, ONTAP NS0-520 exam can come to QuestionsTube to download the latest NS0-520 practice test. We have collected the most updated NS0-520 exam questions with precise answers for achieving success. Our updated NS0-520 practice test will take care of your achievements. All you are going to do is go comprehensively with NetApp NS0-520 exam questions and answers. QuestionsTube aids you in understanding the actual NS0-520 exam. How to earn the NetApp Certified Implementation Engineer. SAN, ONTAP, NCIE SAN Specialist, ONTAP, Certification? The NetApp Certified Implementation Engineer, SAN, ONTAP, NCIE SAN Specialist, ONTAP, certification is designed to test your ability in implementing, integrating, and troubleshooting ONTAP SAN, FC switched fabric, NVMe, and iSCSI solutions, different operating systems, Windows, Linux, ESX, UNIX, and applications. To earn the NetApp NCIE SAN Specialist, ONTAP certification, you must have an active NetApp Certified Data Administrator, ONTAP Professional, NS0-163, certification as a prerequisite, then pass the NetApp Certified Implementation Engineer, SAN, ONTAP NS0-520 exam successfully. 100% passing guarantee with NS0-520 exam questions and answers. You can pass the NetApp Certified Implementation Engineer, SAN, ONTAP NS0-520 exam. QuestionsTube has updated the NS0-520 practice test with 234 practice exam questions and answers, which help you achieve success in the actual exam. In terms of the preparation for the NetApp Certified Implementation Engineer, SAN, ONTAP NS0-520 exam, you can get the most updated NS0-520 practice test. Valid NetApp NS0-520 exam questions from QuestionsTube would be a fantastic option for you. Read NetApp NS0-520 free exam questions. The most updated NS0-520 practice test of QuestionsTube offers the in-detailed evaluation of the real NetApp Certified Implementation Engineer, SAN, ONTAP NS0-520 exam questions. We are online to share the NetApp NS0-520 free exam questions to help you check the quality. Question 1. A company has 20 ESX hosts. 10 of the hosts are connected using FC, and the rest are connected over iSCSI. The FC host HBA queue depth is set to 32, and the iSCSI LUN queue depth is set to 64. The FC hosts are random connectivity issues. In this scenario, what would be the reason for the disconnects? Question 2. You want to ensure maximum performance of iSCSI LUNs on an AFF 220. In this scenario, which two actions will accomplish this task? Question 3. You are provisioning storage to an ESX host that uses iSCSI. According to NetApp best practice, which three actions accomplish this task? Question 4. Which two features does asymmetric namespace access (ANA) support? Question 5. A customer that is using an AFF 220 has a problem with a host for a new FC LUN. Other LUNs on the same SVM are working properly. This LUN is not visible on the host. Which configuration does the customer need to verify in their solution? Question 6. A customer has an existing 8-node cluster that consists of 6 FAS2650 nodes and 2 FAS2554 nodes. The customer wants to expand the cluster by adding 2 AFF 220 nodes. Which resource would be used to determine whether this configuration is supported? Question 7. An administrator reviews the upgrade advisor before performing an upgrade of their ONTAP cluster. What information is detailed in the report? Question 8. You want to create an additional SVM from the System Manager GUI to serve data only using block-based protocols. You know the SVM name, the aggregate containing the root volume, and the required protocols. What other information is required to successfully create this SVM? Question 9. You have 3 Windows servers and 1 Linux server, each with dual-ported HBAs that are connected into a dual fabric. In this scenario, what is the minimum number of zones that you need to create within each fabric switch? Question 10. On your ONTAP 9.5 cluster, you need to set up the onboard key manager with hardware-based security and volume encryption. Which two licenses are required in this situation?